With Water's Edge, it's a little bit more upper scale, so it's a little bit more posh and a little bit more sophisticated. Why Water's Edge Village, you would ask? Incredible location on Rodney Bay Marina, two private marina front walks out villas, size 4,000 square feet. So it's just two villas, private deck on the water, best of both worlds, luxury villas and access to the resort life, because you will have access to all the rest of the properties, including Bay Garden Beach Resort and Spa. Right? You have Alex Village Concierge Service. Sorry about that. Alexa Villa Concierge Service. Smartphone with smart lock capabilities. Complimentary Wi-Fi access. Complimentary passes to Splash Island Water Park. Unlimited non-motorized water sports activities. Complimentary shuttle services to the other 4 Bay Gardens Resort. Right? It is located, of course, about 20 minutes away from George Ethel Charles Airport and 90 minutes from Uranora International Airport, which is located in Beaufort. I also want to let you know that those properties are just around one another, so they're not located like in a different section of the island. They're actually all around the same area, but they offer something different for each customer, each person. Places of interest that are near to Water's Edge is the Raidery Beach, which is 5 minutes away, the Baywalk Mall, which is 10 minutes walk away, the casino, the Treasure Bay Casino, Pigeon Island National Landmark, the Grizzly Village, where, as I said, the Grizzly Friday night party is, which no one should miss once you're in St. Lucia on a Friday night, Sandals Golf and Country Club, Point Seraphine Duty Free Complex, Castries Market, the world famous Pitons, the Sulphur Springs drive-in volcano, and that's about 1 hour and 45 minutes away. Right now, the room amenities. There's a king or double, taking the tranquility of the Rodney Bay Marina from the terrace of your master bedroom. On the inside, 4 spacious bedrooms are home to the king bed or double beds in each of our 2 villas. As I said, it's just 2 villas. In addition to boasting an inviting ambience, our rooms feature state-of-the-art furnishing and island-inspired atmosphere. The rooms amenities: all villas come equipped with free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, ironing boards, hair dryers, fridges, kettles, cable, their smartphones with lock capabilities, Alexa concierge service, in-room safes, showers, and also 220 to 110 electrical outlets. Daily housekeeping is offered as well. Outdoor, you have sound lounges, umbrellas, private gardens, swimming pools, and private decks. Right? For food and beverage, access to all Bay Gardens Resort restaurants. Our chefs lovingly and expertly prepare island favorites every morning. In Villa Catering, a private chef is available upon request. Right? Available meal plans. Of course, you have the breakfast and dinner, which is the MAP plan, or the all-inclusive meal plans, and they are available. All guests staying over 7 nights or more get access to our dining around program. Enjoy dining up to 9 popular Rodney Bay special restaurants for a maximum of 3 nights in a starter pack and a free spa treatment per person. For spa services, guests stay at our villas have access to the spa, the Lemur Spa, our rejuvenation, relaxation oasis. In-villa massages are also available. So that sounds just amazing, right? That sounds amazing. That sounds really amazing. Now, each of these properties is unique and offers a different experience for visitors. All right. Now, now that you are aware and have been briefed and understand about the 5 properties that we just talked about and why you should use Island Vacation Travel Agency to book your travel to St. Lucia. All right. Now, firstly, Island Vacation Travel Agency specializes in Caribbean travel and has been providing vacation packages to the Caribbean for over 10 years. Right now, we have extensive knowledge and expertise in the Caribbean and can provide you with the best vacation packages that suit your preference. Secondly, using a travel agency like Island Vacation Travel Agency can save you time and money because we are from the Caribbean. I have a cruise ship background, travel a lot to St. Lucia. I am from St. Lucia, so of course I know certain things that other people don't know. My team does as well. Most people on my team are actually from St. Lucia as well. We offer complete vacation packages that include flights, accommodation, transfers, and tours, all at a reasonable price. They can also offer you special deals and discounts that are not available to the public as well. All right, now, thirdly, Island Vacation Travel Agency has excellent customer service. They have a team of travel experts who are available to answer your questions and help you plan your special vacation. Right now, we can also provide you with insight tips and recommendations on what to see and also what to do when you travel to St. Lucia. Finally, by using a travel agency like Island Vacation Travel Agency, you can have a peace of mind knowing that you have someone to turn to if anything goes wrong during your vacation. All right. Now we can help you with any travel related issues and ensure that you have a stress-free vacation, whether it be from how to get your passport, how to get your visas, recommendations, requirements on how to enter the country, whether you need a wedding permit or anything of the sort. We can help you with that. This is what Island Vacation is there for. We specialize in St. Lucia travel. We know what we're doing, and we can save you some time and some money as well. All right. Now, Bay Gardens is a fantastic resort in St. Lucia with, as I said, 5 unique properties that offer different vacation experiences. Island Vacation Travel Agency is an excellent choice for booking your vacations to St. Lucia, as we offer expert knowledge, cost savings, and exceptional customer service. Now, we hope that you found this podcast very informative and useful in planning your vacation. And I just want to thank everybody who tuned in and listened. We really appreciate you. Hands of applause for you. We appreciate you taking the time out of your day, out of your evening to tune in with Island Vacation Travel Agency. We're going to be coming up with more podcasts as the year goes by. We're going to be coming with better episodes. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Please give us some feedback. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, your family, or anyone you think that might want to travel or needs to be inspired to travel. I want to thank you for tuning in to our podcast today. Before we wrap up, we want to remind you to follow and subscribe to all our social media channels to stay up to date on our latest products, promotions, and also wellness tips. You can find our store at www.ivtaware.com or on www.islandvacas.com and just look for shop. Right? We also want to remind you that Island Vacation Travel Agency has its own online store. That was the link that I just gave you. Don't forget to support naturalistic health and wellness. It's how you're going to learn how to take care of yourself. You have a professional who knows what they're doing and can give you great recommendation. Feel free to reach out to them and see what's actually going on with naturalistic health, where you can and don't forget to check out Island Vacation Travel Agency at www.islandvacas.com, right? And that is till we meet again, and so that we could plan your next luxurious and comfortable travel, vacation, and adventure. All right, now this has been another episode of the Island Vacation Travel Podcast. Just want to thank you again one more time for tuning in, guys, and you have a good rest of your week and a good rest of your weekend.
Yo, what up? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay.